Welcome to our simulation. Welcome to our Mini ChatGPT project. Built using Python and PyCharm. This chatbot leverages the power of GPT-2 from Hugging Face transformers to generate human-like responses. Here's the code that powers our chatbot. We load the GPT-2 model and tokenizer. Define a function to generate responses. And create a chat loop for user interaction. Let's run the code. The chatbot starts in the terminal, ready to interact with the user. The user asks a question, and the chatbot processes the input using the GPT-2 model. The response is generated in real time and displayed in the terminal. The chatbot handles a variety of questions, from factual queries to creative prompts. Each response is generated dynamically based on the input. This Mini ChatGPT project demonstrates the potential of AI-powered chatbots. Built entirely in PyCharm. It's a great starting point for exploring natural language processing. Try it out yourself and see what you can create. Thank you for watching. Reach out to us for collaborations, project support, or any inquiries. Let's innovate together. +91 917 620 6235 email, phdanfo247@gmail.com